In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn off auto dubbing in YouTube app. So first of all, launch open YouTube application on your device. You can see over here YouTube has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is simply tap on the video that you would like to watch. Now after you do that, if the auto dubbing is enabled over here, you'll be able to turn it off. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for audio track. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the audio track over here. You can also see the auto dub languages. If any of these languages are selected, your video will be auto dubbed. So if you want to turn it off, simply tap on the original audio track. For me, it is English, so simply tap on that option. Now after you do that, the auto dubbing will be turned off and you'll be able to watch the video in the original language. So that is how you turn off auto dubbing in YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.